Yeah, okay. Life sometimes is not fair. Don't I can never take cocaine or be involved in complaints. No way. Why? Do we get to go through a lot of times? Some people do get to commit suicide. Why?
Bow to the psychopath that walking in my path. I'm talking about the present, not about the past. Your earth is quaking and the sky falling down. We came from the dust, there is no more trust. I don't wanna die, young coronavirus on the way. We need to fly to Mars, I'll be talking to some aliens. Be like a barbarian, a black man virgin. Everyone just get it. I'm a young nigga making music as a rapper. I'm a gangster, pops and I wanna be a dancer. I'm an officer room and a trace of the 90s. I don't wanna go into my goals on the ground. We're grave now, a rumor showing lives, death. Look at the damage in it all. The shit is just killing the people illegal. Go drink this sticker to the floors like slippery. Sleeping with a pen hand, it's a lockdown. We underrated, separated. Chest smoking 40 rolls on the ground. Papers are heavy, our souls are falling. Goblins are underground, eating some flesh. Survival the fittest. Who will survive this shit? No wanna go back to the old times when mapped. In a hand like a groove, I'm not running away from this worst case scenario.
Why do we get to go through a lot of times? Some people do get to commit suicide. Why? Okay, life sometimes is not fair. Don't I can never take cocaine or be involved in complaints. No way. Some people do get to commit suicide. Why?
Yeah.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I need the G for this. Tell me when sorrows are going to end. I need to know if the end is a den. The people are dying, we don't know the cause. Heaven or earth, your will or the devil. The Bible don't tell us that you understand. I'm sorry to yell, I'm looking for help. I'm a nigga with a lot of care. If I had the cure, maybe I'll interfere. I don't wanna die, let I go to hell. Or the one to be found with a lot of shame. Strippers and killers, wizards and witches. Look what you're doing, digging your graves to bury yourselves. What is the moral to all of this? What is it that you wanna see? Away with the pride, negative energy, let it go, let it be kneel down and pray. Only Jehovah can give you the grace. Only the Bible can make you repent. You can be what you wanna be. You can even choose him over G.O.D. Still, he's aware of the reckoning, and he's aware he can never win. Why do we get to go through a lot of times? Some people do get to commit suicide. Why? Okay, life sometimes is not fair. Don't I can never take cocaine or be involved in complaints. No way. Some people do get to commit suicide. Why?